How to get your old account back in Monster Legends. Now, before anything, make sure you know that your account before, if it wasn't linked to any sort of email or linking option, then it's going to become very hard to get your account back unless you still have access to the device. You could try contacting customer support to get it back. Maybe you do remember some information about it or you have screenshots of that account. You could go ahead and prove to them that it was your account and they could possibly give it back to you. But again, if you had an account that wasn't linked, then it's gonna be very hard. But if you're lucky enough and you had your account linked, then all you'll have to do at this point is just go ahead to the settings. If you're currently linked to an account, just go ahead and change your player. And this time, just use the email or Facebook account that you used to play with the account that you want back. So maybe you used your Facebook account on the old account. So just go ahead and link with that Facebook account and it should automatically give you access to the account you had before. If not Facebook, then Google Play or whatever option shows up for you. And of course, you're gonna have to have access to that email since for security reasons, it's gonna be verification and passwords. But other than that, that's pretty much how you get your old account back in Monster Legends. If you have it linked, just use the same account, but if not, try contacting customer support to get it back. That's pretty much your only chance if your account was not linked before. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.